What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. First, what you need to do is to check your network, and you need to make sure that your network is working properly. Try visiting a couple of websites and check it in. Then you need to incorrect credentials and make sure that you have entered correct login details. Maybe you have recently changed or updated the password or username, so it is suggested to check credentials. Also, the multiply logins, if you have logged in with multiply devices, then also you might have the error, so make sure that you log out from all other devices. Server users, always make sure that in this kind of problem they gonna give you a server that got down, and so you have to try every workout there will be some more issues with the Facebook servers. Now guys, for these sites you need to go on the Play Store, and after that go and type Messenger, and then you need to go and find for an update, or if it doesn't have this update, go and uninstall the Messenger and then go and download it again and open it. I think that all problems will be fixed then. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.